welcome back to my channel. My name is Tasha. If you are new and if you're returning, thank you. I appreciate it. So I am about to walk out the door. I'm gonna go get my sisters and my mama. And we're gonna get in these streets. Okay, I'm gonna get in these streets. So we're going shopping. We're going to IKEA and a couple other stores, I guess. I did have to take some stuff back to Home Goods, but I may not do that today. I probably have to wait another day, which is fine because I know they want to go to a lot of different stores. I don't know if Home Goods was one of them, but I may take the stuff just in case, but I don't know. So what I have on, let me turn the camera around. So this is what I have on today. I just have on, these are Calvin Klein tights. They're like a off-white color, and I have on my black and white, like almost like a zebra print Yeezys, and then just this New York sweater. I got this from Fashion Nova. Got on my rings, and I should put on some different earrings, and I got on my, I ain't even fix my watch. Delina. I put on Delina exclusive. I put on some of the MFK, what is this? Gentle Fluidity Gold. I need to take some shades because it's bright out. I'll take some. I'll take these colorful shades I got. But yeah, so I'll pick y'all up in the car. It's nice and sunny. Nice and sunny today. The temperatures are in the 50s. Yeah, that's why I got on the sweatshirt, because honey, the temperatures is right. Temperatures is up my alley. Oh baby, my thumb, I don't know what I did. The fingernail, I did something to it, and them sucker hurt. It hurts, okay? It hurts. But baby, when it's cold outside, it's nice to get out when it's cold outside. I love it. Do you hear me? I love it. And this car need to be cleaned so bad, it's ridiculous. Like, I mean, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. It need to be cleaned out, okay? Like, detailed, cleaned out. Cause me and my sisters and my mama, we had seafood last night. We just had some blue crabs, shrimp, potatoes, sausage, smoked neck bones, corn, and eggs. And I'll be vlogging a whole lot. It's a lot of stuff I don't be vlogging, you know, because everybody don't want everything vlogged. Like everything doesn't need to be vlogged, because I'm not like a full-time vlogger. I vlog here and there, you know, and I'm trying to stay consistent. But you know, I got a whole 9 to 5, and I really like my job. You know, if you like your job and then you still have opportunity to have multiple streams of income, do that, honey. Don't just quit your whole job for YouTube, honey. YouTube, you have to build the audience. And I'm not chasing the subscribers. I'm not doing that. You know, but I will tell people, hey, subscribe to my channel. I was doing that a lot when I first started, kind of following the trend on YouTube, you know, like everybody would do, saying, hey, make sure you subscribe and put your notification bells on. And I mean, I still should be saying that, but I have it within my video, like at the end part. So I'm not, you know, I like the vlog, but I'm not gonna just commit my whole life or better, I'm not gonna just commit all of my time to vlogging, because I like to be in the moment, having fun with my family. And if you vlog everything, you will miss a lot of things. Mama here, she's with me. This is the lady. She always got a joke. Always. There go my sister right there. She said let her put her glasses on, baby. Put the glasses on. She can't see, baby. She can't see y'all, okay? Now she can see you. Look, now she can see y'all. She like that.
Now, baby.
She can see it now, baby. All right, we're finna go get my other sister. So
I told her what I put
she got mad. She
I put the blonde on. I'm gonna do the blonde.
do the blind. Go do the blind.
Baby.
Babe, see, she thinks she all that.
Yes,
She thinks she all that.
I feel good today. Shit, catch me tomorrow. I'm gonna be hurting.
Yeah. Yeah, after she walked them dogs today. Baby, walk those dogs.
Hey y'all.
Hit it.
I put my lip gloss on.
You can talk to them, baby.
Hold on, it went down. There it is. Hey y'all. So we're headed out. We're gonna spend some dollars.
You say you want to go to IKEA.
I want to go to IKEA. I wanted to go to the outlet, but it all depends on how you feel like driving today.
Girl, you might have to go to the
outlet first, then, cause
Yeah,
baby,
IKEA can wait.
That
Y'all
good,
hear that?
that
She
good,
don't even want to take me to
that good,
the
outfit
outlet,
lipstick
y'all.
from
I don't do
Anastasia
nothing to
Beverly
her.
Hills.
I'm the baby
It look good,
sister. I'm
was
supposed
my
to
last
have my
one.
way.
You need to catch up.
Okay.
Get yourself together. Catch up.
Y'all, we had so much fun Thanksgiving. I'm not sure why she did not have her camera because we had a time. You hear me? We had a time. We had a time.
I was doing that stanky leg.
She was doing the stanky leg all day. Like
Baby,
all day.
I was doing good on the
She was doing the
on the
stanky
lyrics.
leg.
No, it was the lyrics game.
Oh yeah, the lyrics game.
The lyrics
and we
game.
gotta order some more. Did you
'Cause
press
it's like-
in on your? Mine went down the other day for Black Friday. It started off like 17, and then 2 of them went down to like $12.
Oh, no, I ain't went back on there. It's
I got the hip hop, the newer hip hop, the 2000s hip hop, and R&B.
That game, they might need a game for their family, girl.
hi,
That's what I'm talking about.
I'm always here
You took it, really?
in the front seat.
Wow.
I don't know why y'all be hating on me. I'm 65, y'all. I don't hate on nobody. But these girls are mad. They have a problem with a lot of stuff.
I be feeling you be jealous of me.
A lot of stuff.
You jealous? You jealous? Show
Yes. Ooh.
I believe you jealous of me. You be jealous of me sometimes.
It's like a good
Especially when
day
I
today.
eat real
People
good,
got
you
their
be real
garages
jealous of me
up.
when I have a good meal. But Ebony, you too big for a hoverboard.
Give me one, baby. I'll show you what I
Look at her little long pigtail. That cute.
I got on a double-breasted jacket
Double-breasted 3-piece suit.
and a cotton shirt,
And the cotton shirt, double.
green bell bottoms.
Tasha,
Green
Krispy Kreme
bag.
got make your spirits bright with $12 a dozen.
That ain't no deal. There she go right there. She's in the house. I don't know. I ain't let it fall. That's good. You see? And then I can put this right here. Like they all don't need anything. It's just getting gifts just because it's the season for giving. I feel good outside. Real good. This is cute. What A&M. This is cute, huh? With the little green band on it right here.
What you saying?
Oh, you talking? No. Whatever. That's nice. It's only, it's additional 40% off. It's like that Drake's look in the back. I might come back for that. I like that. Some Air Max. I like these right here. These are cute. I like these. Air Max. You can never go wrong with a good Air Max sneaker. Yeah, that's what I was just. That's what I was just looking at. They're nice. Yeah. So it looks like the whole store is either 40, 30, and 20% off on some stuff. Oh, these is the thin ones that. Cute. 40% off. I like this one. Yeah, 40% off. I want that. I told you. You want one? I like both colors. I think they had, I don't know if they had like.
Matter of fact, I already got the pants for this. The same
I got some black Nike pants to go with it. Oh, you didn't get the bottom.
Extra large.
Okay.
You do that?
Mm-hmm. And then I'm gonna get a black extra large, and that's gonna be it. Yeah. See, when I was looking for these shirts, and they ain't have them with the ones that was, they ain't have my size for the ones that I got on. Yeah, the same color stripe one. They ain't have it. Extra large.
That's a large.
I'll take it. That was the only color. And then I'll use my card. What I got? Just two? I ain't got no more. No more things.
Have to swipe it again.
I swipe it for good.
Nigga, stupid. He crazy. Going in green papaya right now. Gonna have some dinner. I know it is dark, but it's about 6:30. Oh, thank you so much. Some sushi. Some sushi, Adam? She said no. Becky, you want some sushi? She said no. Mama, you want some sushi? Mom, you want some sushi? She say she don't eat it, okay? She don't eat it. The fried dynamite should eat that, but she won't eat sashimi. Yeah, they do. Yeah. Yes, you have. You done been in here 2 times.
I know it, but I didn't pay attention.
Oh, you talking about? Oh yeah, to the sushi menu. I do eat sushimi as well. Yeah, we had the sushimi. It was the raw. I eat both sushi and sashimi. I used to eat sashimi because I was like raw seafood. But when I tried it, it was really good. I forget which roll it was I had, but I don't know if it was the rainbow roll or what. This is what it looks like in here. Huh? Answer the phone for me. Must be. Okay, alright.
These bell peppers are good.
Huh?
She need to bring some of that. Did you order the chicken wings? No.
No.
Chicken now. Can you bring a plate?
A plate for her. All right. So we in San Marco. Crumble cookie here in San Marco. What y'all putting in order?
That's how you gotta order from here, but they don't have no good ones since it's Thanksgiving. That's the only what they got.
Oh, I like the key lime.
The who?
Key lime and the double chocolate chip. Them are like mini cakes.
That's what it is, baby.
But that's not a cookie.
But they don't normally look like that. That's what I'm saying. They normally is cookies.
Oh.
But see, they look like this because this is like what we got the last time.
So they had other flavors?
Yes, that's like
Y'all came here?
When we came here, we done been here twice. This the kind of cookies we had to pick from.
Oh.
They didn't look like that.
I guess this is what they look like right here in person. Oh, this is for today. I like that Oreo looking one and the key lime one. Of the little tiny ones? Okay, so y'all switch up every day?
Every week.
Every week,
So
okay.
every Monday.
Oh, every Monday, okay. Oh, okay, so Monday.
Yeah, see, we didn't have it. I had 2 different counts and I came whole time. Look at this bus.
Oh, now it's getting it.
God damn, she will be finna be where we couldn't even make no videos.
Shut up, Tasha, you always girl. Mama's trying to make you start something.
No, she know what up. She know what up.
Them high rises getting all it. Why are they going straight towards it, Tasha?
It's a gimbal. It moves by itself.
No, I'm talking about why we driving straight towards it.
I don't know because I gotta go the other way to get to the back. Where I'm trying to get to out tonight. Y'all know that?
Yeah, like what is
You
that?
can stick it out.
What's the celebration? They probably stay down there. Them high rises right there, mama.
Shit, don't they pour they balcony? They go to the window right there. They got something coming up. Shit's popping all over on my car.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Tasha, who told you to come straight down here in the first place?
Let's go home.
Look, now mama want to make it worse than what it is. Now it's gonna burn holes in Tasha.
No, it's just pieces of the paper that's coming off of that.
He waiting on that car to move.
Y'all know what's going on down here?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah. What is?
Oh, okay, parade.
Yeah, that one don't do good at all. It don't. The best one here was the one at the landing.
Because we got to go out of town to go to Hooters.
Yeah, Tampa Zone is the best one I done had. Okay.
Because the Hooters starting to hit off something. And I ain't know Hooters to do like that. But
We are at Insomnia Cookies because those cookies or whatever those little pie things that was at Cookie Crumble, not for me. They got now me, Tony, and Papa done had their cookies here. They're good.
So you have 1 plastic with M&M's, 1 double chocolate chip.
Thank you. So good. Thank you.
You have a great night.
You too. We finna go home now. We got our cookies.
You take that what Mama said down there.
You-
Get on my nerves.
We finna go home.
it's low.
We finna get home. I'll see y'all when I get home.
I should know when that mother start beep, it won't go up.
I have made it back to my destination, which is home. I got some things from Tommy, Nike, and Calvin Klein. And all of this stuff right here is stuff that I move this box. All of the stuff that I ordered from Fashion Nova. That's the end of this day. And I'm going to stop the video right here. And I will see y'all in the AM or either in the next video. So thanks for watching.